family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into this June birthday month tray. It's my birthday month. Yeah, it's my birthday month. Come on, Geminis, it's your birthday month. Yeah, it's your birthday month. You know, I just had to do a little groove, you know, for the 1-2 Gemini season. Birthday month, yes. So this is my birthday month tray for the month of June, and we're going to do a part 2 to my TFF tray, my tropical, fresh, and fun tray. I had so much fun last time. I just had to do a part 2 for myself because I had so many other beauties that I wanted to put on the tray that were fighting to be on the tray, and now they're on the tray. So let's get into it. We have the beautiful Fragrance du Bois Santal Complete. You all, this is like my luxury tropical dream. I love this. This gives me fresh, spicy, tropical feel. I take this on vacation all the time. This is like the date night, the dinner night. This is such a beautiful fragrance that is great for this season. I'm going to wear this down. This has a dent in it, so I can say this has a dent, and not just because I decant it, okay? It has a dent because I wear it too. But no, this is such a wonderful vanilla, coconut, lemon, violet fragrance. And so if you like any of those notes, if you like sandalwood, kind of like what I love, it is a soft, spicy, woody. It's just beautiful. Amber is in this. Musk is in this. It is such a dream. I absolutely love this fragrance, and I'm so glad it's on my tray. And that is Fragrance du Bois Santal Complete. Next up, we have another tropical beauty, and that is the Harmonious Moon Glory. This also has a honey. We have some yellow flowers in this. We have quite a few floral notes in this. It also has ylang ylang, jasmine, lychee is in this, honey, white musk. It is so beautiful. We have a wood note in here. This is so, to me, tropical, creamy, yellow floral. It's all the things that I would love a honey fragrance or a honey note fragrance to be. I love this. I am so glad I added it to my tray. It will definitely be worn in the month of June, and I'm so excited. So if you have the Harmonious Moon Glory, if you love a good fragrance with a honey note, pull them out, or you might need to get your nose on this because it's that good. Next up, we have Coconut Fizz from Guerlain. I'm going to go through this really quick because unfortunately you can't find it. I think it's discontinued, but it's so beautiful. I wish they would bring it back because it is such a beautiful tropical, fresh coconut, fruity coconut. It has all the fresh and fruits, and it's amazing. Okay, so if you love a good coconut, this is so beautiful. Again, I hope this comes back, but it had to be on this tray. It gives me tropical and fresh, and I cannot have a month of June without Coconut Fizz. Next up, we have Apple Brandy by Kilian on the rocks. This fragrance just makes me love pineapple scents in a different way because it also has this rum brandy, so it's a boozy, warm, spicy. So it's not just the sweet pineapple. It gives depth, and I love that about this fragrance. It is fresh, it is aromatic, it makes me smell clean, even with a fruity, cardamom, spicy type of note in here. It still gives me a fresh take on pineapple, and I absolutely adore it. I'm so glad that She was the one fighting to get on the tray last month, but I'm so glad she made it to the tray this month. Next up, we have Coco Mademoiselle Darling. Okay, she said, you can't be without me on this tray. You need a very old but always good classic fragrance, darling. And so I had to put her on my tray. You know, she talked just like that to me. So I said, oh, well, sis, just get on the tray, okay? So we have citrus in here, this white floral beauty. I love it. It gives me a fresh take, you know. It's also fun because I love wearing it to the bedtime. But I love the fresh scent that it gives me. We have like orange, mandarin. So you have all the citrus in the top notes. This rose is in the middle. But that jasmine, that white musk, that vanilla, it just gives me this sense of calmness and just pleasant and beauty and classic. It's just beautiful. Had to be on my tray. I feel like it gives me a fresh take, and that's why I put it on there. But you can feel different, which is totally fine, but it's still on my tray. And I'm going to enjoy her. And darling, if you have her in your collection, this classic beauty, bring her out, okay? Moving on. Next up, we have Bond number 9, Astor Place. It is so pretty. It has an exotic, kind of aquatic. So this gives me tropical feel, okay? I know it also has like citrus in here, but this really moves me in the tropical lane. I love it. Love it for vacation. Love it for the season of summer. So not only does this have mandarin orange, the freesia floral note that's in this is beautiful. The red poppy just gives it a uniqueness to me. This is so good. Now, I would not say, okay, this is a great blind buy. No. Because you know what else it has in this? It has orris root. And you might be turned off by that note. It has a little twang in it, but it's a good twang on my skin. But I do love this. It gives me tropical feels. And yeah, she had to be added. And look at the colors. Hello? Purples, pinks, red, yellow. I love colors. So this is a beautiful choice for my June tray. Next up.
Is that a nipple? That's a nipple.
Excuse me, there's a shadow.
It's a nipple, because I'm drooling.
Another tropical body fragrance. This is KKW Body 2. I hope they don't shut my channel down for the bottle, but this is such a beautiful coconut fragrance. If you have Tom's Ford Soleil Blanc, it kind of gives me that feel. Coconut, kind of a suntanny floral fragrance, and I love it. I love this tropical scent. It's definitely an easy reach, so it's not going to last you a lifetime. It is definitely one of those, like, it stays, but then it goes, okay? So you have to re-up on it. But I do love it. Like if you have a pool day, something very short, you know, out in the sun, this is definitely a great fragrance to take on your vacation or just wear in the house if you want just like that tropical coconut feel. I love this. I think this is also discontinued, so sorry if you can't find it, but it's on my tray, and so I just have to show you what's on my tray. This is Electric Pop, okay? It is sweet. It is vanilla. We have coconut, latonic. It is all those things. It is delicious. We have whipped cream and coconut, floral notes, musk, woody notes. It is so simple, but so good. But if you love a good coconut, a good whipped cream, gourmand type of coconut scent, this is one to absolutely add to your collection. It is amazing. I love it. I love it down. Next up, we have a fresh fragrance. So it does go with my tropical fresh fun tray. Fruity, citrus, woody, and powdery type of fragrance. And that is Creed Aventus for Her. We have some green apple in this, rose, black currant, peach. There are all types of notes. Ylang ylang. I can go on for days. We have sandalwood, pink pepper, violet. There are so many notes in here, but this blend is such a classic fragrance. You know, if you are a fragrance lover, a fragrance collector, I feel like you have this in your collection, or at one time, maybe you had this in your collection. This is just a standout in the fresh category. I love it for the summer. It is such a luxury fragrance, and I'm not good with Creed always. And so I don't have a lot of Creed fragrances, but this is one that will always have to be in my collection all the time. If I ever run out of this bottle, I will definitely have to repurchase. Creed Vintage for her is so pretty. I got her on my birthday, so this is like an anniversary for her too. So I love this fragrance down. I am so happy I was able to have this in my collection, for quite a while now. I think maybe about 3 years. She might be 3 years old, something like that. But I'm so glad she's in my collection. I'm so glad it gives me this fresh, put together scent for the summer, because I just want to be put together for this entire month. Of course, it's my birthday month, right? You just want to stand out and, you know, strut your stuff. And I'm 40, girl. I'm going into the 40 club. Girl, I gotta act like I belong in this 40 club, okay? Next up on my tray, we have two Dua fragrances. We have Alexandra Short, which is such a vanilla bomb. And we have a marshmallow vanilla bomb, which is marshmallow vanilla. Okay, so these two fragrances are really going to be pairing combinations or layering combination fragrances. I really want to pair these with a lot of different fragrances on my tray, and I felt like vanilla was the right way to go. And so these are my fun choices, okay? They're fun to me because I feel like I can pair them with everything on this tray, and I'm going to have fun with the combinations and the pairing that I want to do. So that's fun. So this is why this is on my tray. This is my fun fragrances, but both are really good for different purposes. I think Alexandra Short is definitely vanilla forward, but it is more of like for the classy ones, like maybe Creed Vintage for her that's on my tray, maybe the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, those type of fragrances. Whereas the marshmallow vanilla, I feel like compare with like my coconut type of fragrances, my coconut gourmand, electric pop, body 2 that's on my tray, right? Like some of those. So I believe I'm going to have a fun time pairing these fragrances with other fragrances on my tray. Next up, I have two beautiful fragrances. I feel like they're both fresh scents that do different things for me, right? Byredo Bow de Freak. One, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, girl, the label, a hot mess. I really do not like that it's a paper tag or whatever label that's on it. Like I don't get along with that. Like it's coming off. Like, what is that, right? Pay all this money and then the label's coming off. I can't even say what it is, label. Anyway, I rather it have like a metal label or something like that. Something better than this. Anyway, Bow de Freak, although the label is a hot mess, the fragrance is beautiful, amazing. And I feel like this is going to be my everyday kind of in the house fresh scent, okay? This gives a unique, or like easy reach, running errands, that type of thing. Like very beautiful. Even if I were to go to a brunch, this is great for a brunch. And it is so unique to me. It's woody and fresh and beautiful. I love it down, okay? And then we have Mind Games, okay? Prodigy. We have that rose, that fresh rose. So another fresh fragrance, but for me, this is more of the elegance, right? The events, the date night. I believe this is going to be my birthday scent, like on the day. Like this is more of that feel to me. Very put together. I'm going somewhere, right? Like I'm going out with the girls, I'm going out with my man, something like that. That's what I would wear Prodigy for. So definitely beautiful fragrances, 2 fragrances that are fresh but just serves different purposes. That's going to be on my tray, and I'm so glad that they are on my June tray. Next up, we have 2 Montal fragrances, okay? Dark purple, oh my goodness, compliment getter, date night, party night, yacht night, whatever. Like dark purple, if you want guaranteed compliments, this is guaranteed compliment city, okay? And then we have blue matcha. If you love a good tea note, a sweet tea note in my opinion, matcha is in this. It's so good, okay? And you all know I'm not a fan about the tea notes, but this one I can do. I love both. Give me different feels. Like I feel like blue matcha is my fresh scent, whereas dark purple really gives me my fun, okay? It's a different fun, okay? It's the fun where you know you're going to get compliments, you know you're going to be smelling good, you know you're going to be looking good with it. It just exudes fun, okay? And I love it. I love both of these fragrances. Glad that they're on my tray. If you have them or if you're interested, I would check them out. Highly would suggest both of these fragrances. Next up, I have a Zara fragrance, and this is I'm Most Grateful. This is a beautiful, fresh, fruity fragrance, and I had to put this on my tray. I feel like I have not given my Zara fragrances love in quite a while, and so this was the time I said, okay, put this on your tray, girl. This will go with your fresh theme, but I love this down. This was a part of the Zara weekly mood collection, and this was Wednesday, and so this fragrance is beautiful. I am glad to kind of reintroduce myself with this fragrance because I haven't given it a lot of love, but this definitely gives me a fresh, beautiful fragrance for the summertime. And last but certainly not least, we have 2 fun fragrances that make me smile. I'm just smiling. I love them. So we have Candy Festival, and it gives you this citrus candy-like scent. This is from Zara as well. Had to throw again some Zara on my tray. I just feel like Zara's been lost in the shuffle in my world, and I needed her back, okay? Back bad, okay? Because we used to go together real bad, but I don't know. I've just been experiencing and discovering other fragrances. No problems and no worries with that. So just to let you know, your sis still loves a good Zara. And then we have Kayali Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar 42. Such a great bubblegum vanilla fragrance. So if you like a good bubblegum note, fun, we have some white caramel in this, and there is also, yeah, you said it, pear. There is a pear note in this. So we're just gonna have a lot of fun with these fragrances, and they make me smile. I might even do some pairing with other fragrances. Yeah, this is gonna be such a great tray, and I am excited. Well, that's all family for my TFF tray part 2 for the month of June, and that is tropical, fresh, and fun, okay? What are you going to be placing on your tray for the month of June, or what are you going to be discovering? Maybe you don't have a tray, maybe you just pick something that you're feeling that morning, but what are you thinking about for the month of June? Do you have some new beauties that you're wanting to test? Let me know. Comment down below. Let's chat it up, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Make sure, fam, you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, okay, you better tell them, all right? Yo, sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.